Hello, this is small using addressable with Photon PUN 2. Um, as because as for now, addressable and Photon is not supported, and I problem. I want to load the scene on client side, and I want um can say sync on all the clients. Scene is loaded, so I was not able to work that around. So if you are facing that problem, and the logic is first you need to preload all the preload all the assets, all the relevant assets, and then call the RP like here. This is the server side. Just for the safe side, I have load the dependencies, and the scene is my scene is addressable, and then I've called the RP, all the buffer, and then I'm waiting to load the dependency, and then I am loading. Here's the code. Here's how you can load the dependency, load, handle the download dependency, and what type of dependency you want. It would be a scene, it could be anything. And then when it is all done, then I'm calling the RP, and then on the client side, reload all the dependencies and then load the scene. So that's how you can work around it. Other than that, if I did not load the dependency, it is showing me on the client side the ping, the error material, and nothing. So that is the workaround for it. Hope that